Hello everyone, myself Neha Sharma, Assistant Professor from Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. Our today's topic is training and development. What is training and development? Training and development is one of the main functions of Human Resource Management Department. Now, what is training? Training refers uh, training, we can say that in simple way we can say that training is a process in which the trainees get an opportunity to learn the key skills which are required to do the job. So learning with earning is known as training. It helps the employees to understand the complete job requirement. So training refers to a systematic setup where employees are instructed and taught matters of technical knowledge related to their jobs. It focuses on teaching employees how to use particular machines or how to do specific tasks to increase efficiency. Now, what is development? Whereas development refers to the overall holistic and educational growth and maturity of people in managerial position, the process of development is in relation to insights, attitudes, adaptability, leadership, and human relations. So, finally, we can say that employee training and development implies a program in which specific knowledge, skills, and abilities are imparted to the employees with the aim of raising their performance level in their existing roles as well as providing them learning opportunities to further their growth. Now, come to the difference between training and development. What is the main difference between training and development? So, employee training and development is an indispensable part of human resource function and management. So, both the activities aim at improving the performance and productivity of the employees. Training is a program organized by the organization to develop knowledge and skills in the employees as per the requirement of the job. Or on the other hand, development is an organized activity in which the manpower of organization learn and grow. It is a self-assessment act. In training, the employees are imparted technical knowledge and skills related to their particular job and stresses on improving the abilities of each worker. On the other hand, development is a sort of educational process which focuses on the growth and maturity of the managerial personnel. So, check out the difference between training and development with this diagram. So, training is a designed or non-managers as well as managers. It involves only managerial personnel. It is a short-term process. Development is a long-term in nature. Training, managerial personnel learn technical knowledge and skills, while development, managerial personnel learn conceptual and theoretical knowledge. In training, the objective of training are specific job related purpose, while in development the objective have broader overview and consider general knowledge. In training, training is concerned with the immediate improvement of the employees and the way to make the employee more effective in his current role, while development is a process to make the employee efficient enough to handle critical situation in the future, how well he can equip himself for the future demand. In training, training means learning new things and refreshing old one. On the other hand, in development means implementing the learned session and finding new one. So, this is difference between training and development. Now, importance of training and development. So, what are the importance of training and development program? First, we will see the importance of training and development for the organization, like better utilization of resources, less wastage, increased profitability, increases competitiveness, reduced employee turnover, developed positive attitude. So first is better utilization of resources. So training and development program facilitates better utilization of an organization's resources like man, machine, material and money. Second is less wastage. It ensures less wastage with respect to resources and time. When a worker is skilled and trained enough, the amount of wastage will be less, and as well as the learning time will be reduced and the work will be performed in very less time. So it ensures less wastage. Next is increased profitability. Exactly, it improves the performance of the employees, which result in increased profitability. Next is increased competitiveness. The employee learn new and improved method of performing an activity, which helps the organization to survive, competent and grow in the market. So it increase competitiveness. Next is reduced employee turnover. Yes, it results in a reduction in employee turnover, idle time and absenteeism. Next is develop positive attitude. Yes, training and development develops a positive attitude in employees towards the work and organization, as well as it boosts their morale, which helps them adapt themselves to the changing environment. So these are importance for organization. Now come to the importance for employees. Here the first is better career opportunities, motivation, face challenges, industrial safety, up to date with newest technology, boost employee morale. Yes, the first is better career opportunities. An individual focuses more on career than a job. So the skills and knowledge acquired from the training and to their resume. So by which better career opportunities open for an employee. Next is motivation. Yes, improved performance is a sort of motivation for an individual which encourages them to perform much better than before and contribute to the organization's success, which ultimately increase their incentives also. Next is face challenges. When an employee is trained enough, he or she will handle any situation or any problem and deal with the challenges in a better way. So he or she can easily face the challenges. Next is up to date with newest technology. Yes, training makes workers, machines or equipment friendly, which reduce the number of accidents during the process. The next is boost employee morale. It helps the employee to stay up to date with the technological changes, so it results in job satisfaction and boost employees morale. So all these are importance of training and development for employees. Now come to the need and objectives of training and development. So the training is needed for serve the following purpose like job requirements, promotion, transfer, technological change, increase competition. First is job requirement. Newly recruited employee require training so as to perform their task effectively. Promotion training is necessary to prepare existing employees for higher level job. Transfer training is necessary to when a person move from one job to another job. So after training, The employee can change job quickly, improve his performance levels, and achieve career goals competitively. Next is technological change. Yes, technological change is very fast, so new jobs require new skills. No organization can miss the advantage of latest technology without well trained employees. Next is increasing competition. Exactly. Due to economic liberalization and globalization, the firms are experiencing and expansion and diversification of business and products. So the keen competition has increased, uncertainties and complexity in the market. So thus, in order to face such challenges, the firm has to improve their capability with the help of training and development program. So all these are need and objectives of training. Hope you understand the concept of training and development. Now we will discuss methods, process and effectiveness of training program in next video. Thank you. Thank you so much.